Let's take a quick look at turning off any course menu items that are unused. We recommend strongly that all assignments, quizzes, and content be deployed through the modules. And so because of that, we want to turn off discussions, assignments, and quizzes. So let's click on Settings and then click on Navigation, and next to these items, click here next to it and disable. Same thing with assignments and quizzes. And you can also turn off multi-tool. So realistically, this is all that you can turn off people to if you don't want students to see who's in the class. And then make sure you scroll down to the bottom and hit Save. So now this is what students will see when they come into the course. Announcements, modules, grades, library, and honor lock proctoring. You might need that if you choose to use honor lock with your tests.